All right, so for this one, it says the zeros of the quadratic function are 6 and -4. Which of these choices could be the function? So we got to figure out what the function is. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with x equals 6 and x equals -4. Going to subtract 6 from both sides. Over here, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. That gives me x minus 6 equals 0. This gives me x plus 4 equals 0. In other words, x minus 6 times x plus 4 equals 0. So this represents a quadratic. So now we're going to actually multiply that out. I'm going to say x minus 6 times x plus 4. X times x is x squared. 4 times x is a positive 4x. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative 6 times positive 4 is a negative 24. I'm going to combine like terms. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So those two terms become negative 2x. So I get x squared minus 2x minus 24 equals 0. This is the quadratic. This is the function. Okay.